Would you rather get your credit repaired or go on a holiday adventure? Why choose when you can have both? Engage MyCRA Lawyers to repair your credit and have not one, but two things to look forward to. Get your credit repaired and 7 free nights accommodation at one of our 3 exotic overseas locations. Exclusive to MyCRA Lawyers. Be a part of the thousands of Australians we've helped and start building your future today. Don't just take it from us. Here's what our clients have to say.
Hi, it's Harold Smith here. I'd just like to say thank you to Graham Dossel and the team at MyCRA. I'm pretty happy with the result there. I had 5 bad things on my credit rating, or 6 bad things, sorry, and they removed 5, and I think that was pretty good. And yeah, I'm very happy, and now I can move on with my life a bit, and yeah.
Hi, my name's Louise, and I would like to thank MyCRA for doing a great job removing my default. It's totally gone, and I am totally ecstatic. It took them 2 months, and they did a great job.
My name is Graham Dossel. I'm the founder and CEO of MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers in Brisbane. We're the only law firm in the entire country that focus exclusively on removing your defaults, judgments, inquiries and repayment history information.
Talk to us now on 1300 667 218 and don't miss out on this limited offer.